Modern laser scanners acquire hundreds of millions of data points called point clouds of your assets. Cintoo effortlessly converts these into easy-to-manage mesh files. Once uploaded to Cintoo Cloud, these digital assets are your greatest source of visual truth compared to outdated BIM or CAD models. Asset tagging and display tools in Cintoo allow you to link physical equipment or parts to their digital counterpart. Cintoo asset tags reference your selected assets with a bounding box and unique ID. Tags can be viewed in their as-built context using Cintoo's 3D view. Bring your scanned as-built data into Cintoo Cloud's collaborative workflows using this single source of trustful information for asset management and predictive maintenance. Cintoo's asset tagging and display tools leverage an open tag data model that can be tailored to each company's needs.